if 50% of it is also implemented, it will be immensely, beneficial for the students, because the first and foremost thing, the main object.
Director of Sign Associate, and he's also BOD of Guwahati Management Association. And myself, Dr. Pranab Boisa, Faculty Institute of Cooperative Management, Guwahati. So we are here today for discussing a very important topic, the topic related to New Education Policy 2020. So it is very important for us, for the students community, for the teaching community, and the country as a whole, because there's a change over the existing system, and the change we have to welcome. And welcoming the change, let's see that different aspects of new education policy, and we'll try to discuss and we'll try to highlight the whatever is there in the new education policy. So let's discuss and welcome again. And I would like to ask Mr. Simantha Goswami that straightly from him, and I would like to learn from him the very important thing, like how this new education policy 2020 may be useful for the students community particularly.
Yeah, Mr. Boisa, thank you very much for giving me the opportunity. And it will actually, this new education policy will immensely benefit the students. If it is implemented, that is the greatest challenge. If it can be implemented, if it is 50% implemented, then also the students will be greatly benefited.
Exactly.
They'll be greatly benefited, because this whole thing is based on practical learning.
Okay.
The whole basis, and there will be a uniform system, education system. There will be a uniform standard maintained across the country.
Okay.
It has taken all the things, the co-curricular, extracurricular, the vocational courses, all these are embedded, integrated. So that is the main thing about this will lead to holistic development of a student. Moreover, the main objective behind having this is to make India a global knowledge, superpower. Because in India we are having the great problem of, we are facing the great problem of employability, and the percentage of youth in India is more than any other countries of the world. So it's a great challenge. Now, this syllabus, this whole thing, this system is at par with the education system of different countries of the world, like USA. So that will help. Earlier, a student passing out here from college, he cannot write a simple. I doubt whether 1% of the students can write a job letter, application letter properly.
Exactly. Correct.
Okay. I doubt whether a student passing out from a college can write a biodata or resume properly, whether he understands the difference between resume and biodata. So these are the main things. Whatever they have learned in the college has nothing to do with the industry and the job. So there was a big difference between industry and academics, and that this education system will cater on that.
Okay.
Because this will provide real-time knowledge.
Yeah.
Bridging the gap between industry and academics, also to provide holistic development of a student.
Exactly.
From school only, students will be exposed to different things.
Mm-hmm.
And the whole thing is made in such a way that it will lead to holistic development.
Yeah, that means demand
based. Which is very essential.
Demand based.
Yes, demand based.
Yeah.
Overall development.
Exactly.
Physical, mental. Because today we are in the rat race. We we just are after marks, like horses.
Exactly.
Our education system is not based on knowledge.
That means
So
that
this education
20,
system
yeah,
will be good.
that
Yeah.
new education policy 2020 is giving more focus on vocational studies.
Yes, giving
Yeah,
it has from class 6 onwards. So shall I first start with the school education
yeah,
system,
exactly, exactly.
the
That school
school
level.
one?
Yeah, exactly. Please go ahead.
Yeah, first let us start with the school level. The school education earlier, our education system is what? From class 1 to class 10. That was the format.
Format, yeah.
Now it will be, yeah, now it will be from preschool to class 12. The format is like that: 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. The 5 is what? In Assamese we say Ankur, then Prak Prathamik, then class 1,
Hi, hi.
then class 2, then class 3. That means 5 years. In
Exactly.
English mediums, nursery, KGs,
Yeah,
So this preschooling earlier was not a part of the school education system.
yes,
If you see, there were preschools. There are a lot of preschools.
yeah,
There are a lot of preschools, but those are just like a feeder schools for to get admission in some good schools,
yeah,
isn't it? Do you
exactly.
admit with me? The students were asked to learn numeracy, literacy during that small stage,
Exactly.
without building a proper strong environment for them.
Exactly. Yes,
So that will be changed now. Now the format is 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. Now first 5 years is 3 years to 8 years. So education system will start from 3 years to 8 years, and it will be preschooling to class 3. And that is called the foundational stage as per the report. So that is called the foundational stage. And the name itself speaks volume that it will develop the foundation of the student, the overall.
exactly.
Early childhood care and education will be the curriculum framework. Early childhood care and education. There are two words, care and education. So care means the lot of care should be taken health wise,
Exactly.
mental wise, psychological, health wise. So those things will be included because this early child care education is there in England, in other countries, developed countries, which is very important. So will be the early childhood care and education will be the curriculum framework for these 5 years, the first 5 years. And the teachers will be trained for that. In this stage, child's brain develops in extraordinary pace because in this stage, they pick up from the environment
Exactly.
in great speed.
Yeah.
So 80% brain development happens during this stage.
Yes.
So
And
to
the,
nurture
yeah.
during this time is very essential, proper nurturing.
Exactly.
Yeah. So ECC is formed to foster enjoyable, strong, and enriching environment.
Mm.
So the methodology will be maybe playing, discovery,
Exactly.
activities, giving stress on language, with giving stress on discussions among students,
Exactly.
interactions. So this will be like that because during this stage, the students should be able to pick up things
Yes.
from the environment. So you have to build a strong environment for them, enjoyable environment. So methodology, that will be the methodology. And regarding this, NCERT will develop a national curriculum. A national curriculum, mind it. That
Yeah.
will be,
That
that
means
means it will be
one
uniform.
one uniform curricular.
Yeah, curriculum. NCERT will develop a national curriculum and pedagogical framework for early childhood care and education for teachers. It is for teachers.
Earlier it was missing. That uniformity was
Yes,
missing.
okay, curriculum was there, pedagogy was not there. Pedagogy should be there.
Yeah.
How to teach?
Yeah.
So there will be a national framework. So it will be uniform. So that is a very good thing
Very,
about
very
it.
nice
Yeah.
initiative.
Yes.
Yeah.
Next is next 3 years. That is 8 years to 11 years. Class 3 to class 5.
Exactly.
That is called preparatory stage. Here numeracy will come. Here literacy will come,
Yes.
will be introduced. And one more thing which attracted me, that is book promotion policy will be introduced to enhance book learning habit from childhood. So book promotion policy, this is very important. They can gain knowledge
Exactly.
through reading books.
Yeah.
They can increase their
Yeah.
vocabularies, you know, they can
Accumulation of knowledge.
enhance their
Yeah.
imagination. Yes, yes. So this is the second part. Next 3 years, 5 plus 3 plus 3, then 4. So next 3 years, 11 years to 14 years. That is class 6 to 8. Here the real change comes.
Exactly.
It is called the middle stage. Different subjects will be there now. The students will be exposed to different subjects now. He have to, there will be a lot of subjects in front of him,
Exactly.
including coding. Coding will be introduced. Now, you know, Mr. Baisho, that
Yeah.
coding at present is very essential. It is one of the 21st century skills.
Exactly.
In this digital age, coding is very important. And in
Very.
China, this has been introduced long back in schools. So from class 6, and this they will be exposed to this coding. And coding is also a tool to improve your problem solving ability. It's one of the best tools. So here another great change is brought, that is internship. Vocational training will be, vocational courses will be included from class 6 onwards.
Yes.
Say, for example, some gardening or, you know, plumber or whatever it is. They'll be exposed to vocational training, and there will be,
Like
see,
electric
teaching
work.
vocational training without internship.
Yeah.
Yes, anything. Yeah.
Anything. Yeah.
So because we have seen a lot of students passing HS with physics, chemistry, maths, but they don't know how to, you know, repair something.
Yeah.
If some electric default happens in their
Yeah.
home, they cannot do.
Yeah.
There is no practical exposure knowledge. So here there will be internship. That means what? The person has to work with a plumber,
Yeah.
bagless. He doesn't have to carry any bag.
Yeah. Yeah.
Or with a gardener, or
Yeah.
in a nursery, or say if he wants to be a you know, wants to be a, what to say, in computer, there is one key, what we say that, okay, whatever it is. So he can go to a IT firm and learn coding there, how
Yeah.
is done. Yeah, there'll be 10 days of, you know, internship. So they'll be exposed to the real-time environment. This is the hand-holding part.
Hand holding part. Exactly. That hand holding
Yes.
is very important in education.
Very important.
Also.
Very important.
Very
They have to work with that
Yeah.
with that person, because the teachers can only, you know, teach, but they have to get the first-hand knowledge of what is happening on field.
Yeah.
What is the reality?
Yeah. Sometimes it happens.
They'll be exposed to,
Suppose our
yes.
students, just I'm interrupting you. Suppose the
Yeah, yeah.
students may learn lot of things from books, but
Mm.
at the end of the studies, he may fail to get a job, because why he acquired the
Yes.
knowledge from books
He will
only.
not be employable.
His employability is not there. He's missing the part of employability.
The employability is not there.
Exactly.
That is what. That,
Yeah.
so that is very appreciable part of this whole policy.
Education policy, yes.
So, and I envy that we have not got this.
Yeah.
But I'm very happy with the students.
The next
future
generation may be benefited.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, they will be if it is
Yeah.
implemented. They have, because and they can be so, since in India we have paucity of jobs and all because of the population explosion and all, but
Yeah.
they can go for overseas employment.
Okay.
This education system will help them.
Yeah.
So that is one stage. Different subjects will Then next stage is after.
I think some network problem is going on. Network. Am I audible to you?